we're back with another gnarly production. Today, we're gonna, oh! So I guess he's in the mood to piss some people off. Oh. The ball.
Sure. Hey. Fucking blinded.
Hey, fuck that, wait! Whoa! I would. Don't try this at home. Oh, it smells like rubber.
Ladies and gents, here we have a 2017 CRF450R. Ooh. This thing's pretty sweet. Pretty much has any bell and whistle you could ever ask for. Of course, the triple clamps, anodized suspension, oversized caliper and rotor. Everything's just done to the nines. We even got the more airflow. Got a Hinson clutch on the other side here. Oh! And yeah, this one, we're gonna be doing a top end on it. That's so sick. Goddamn, that thing bleeding, B. Yo, mate, this is not good, dude. Absolute milkshake pouring out of this thing right now. Ouch! Yo, dude, sorry I forgot to record a lot of this. I was just very eager to get this thing done. But we're making some really good progress now. We got the head off. I'll be showing you pulling off the cylinder. It looks like this thing's fresh. Like, it doesn't look like the same color as the case. So that's going to be nice. I won't have to, well, I'm pretty sure I can order just a regular stock size piston. And we'll be good. Let's fucking pull her. All right, boys, it's been a couple minutes. Let's try to crank her over now. All right. Jesus Christ. Fuck, man, this thing's just shooting flames. That sounds pretty damn healthy. Let's go. Thing bleed to the... What are you doing here? We're be asking random girls to be models for this beautiful CRF450R. Freshly rebuilt. Let's get a cold start.
You guys like the dirt bike? So what are we doing today?
We're gonna be taking some, a little bit of a photo shoot. Just some random mall in Kentucky. We're going Christmas shopping.
How's it going, guys?
Very good, man. Very good.
Let's go. How's it going, brother?
What's up?
It's a fresh piston, I gotta break it in. Like, what if we just like set up right there and just got some pics? Hey guys.
Bye, take care.
How's it going? You want a picture with the dirt bike?
You think that'll be his first Christmas present? A dirt bike for this little
For
guy?
him? Yeah, man. You never know.
You never know, bro. Get a Honda CRF450R.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's the most like best beginner bike for like beginners, you know? 450. That's the best one. Honda.
This bike.
Yeah. You got some props for me, dude? Props, dude. Merry Christmas, man. Happy holidays.
Raj, what is he saying? He's saying Merry Christmas. You have to say Merry Christmas to me. Rod, Rod.
Woo!
Wow. That one. That one. Bye.
Oh my God! You are very nice. Thank you. Looks scrumptious.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
So, how did today go?
Oh. I got some Giner.
How many bitches we get?
0! Hey, Carter. You got the V-Touch?